Hello friends, in this video lecture we will discuss on fusible plug. It is one of the mountings of the boiler. First of all, what is mountings? Mountings means it is necessary part in the boiler. Without this part we cannot operate the boiler. So various types of safety devices are attached with the boiler for the safety purpose, like as a fusible plug, various types of safety valves, water level indicator, pressure gauge, etc. Okay, these are the mountings which are attached with the boiler for the safety purpose. Okay, and accessories means those part in the boiler. Okay, it is not compulsory, but whenever we use it, at that time we can increase the efficiency of the boiler. Okay, in previous lecture we have already discussed on economizer and air preheater. Okay, it is the accessories in the boiler. Okay, it is not necessary part, but whenever we use it, at that time we can increase the performance of the boiler. So mounting means necessary part in the boiler, and accessories means those part are not necessary, but whenever we use it, at that time we can increase the performance of the boiler. So first of all, we will discuss what is the function of fusible plug, where it is fitted in the boiler. Then after we will discuss construction and working of fusible plug. The function of the fusible plug is to protect the boiler against the damage due to overheating for low water level. Okay, as we know that, okay, whenever a sufficient level of water is not there in the boiler, and whenever we continuously supply the heat, okay, at that time this heat is supplied to the empty tube. Okay, so at that time what's happen, whenever we supply the more heat to the tube, so at that time due to heating, okay, it might be possible the tubes are crack or damage. So for that purpose we are using the fusible plug in the boiler for safety purpose. Where it is fitted in the crown plate of the furnace or firebox at appropriate place. Now we will discuss the construction of the fusible plug. The construction of the fusible plug is simple. It consists of three parts. The hollow plug A, having hexagonal flanges, is screwed to the firebox crown plate of the furnace at appropriate place. The gunmetal plug B is screwed to the body A. The hollow gunmetal body C is made up of copper, is located with metal like tin or lead, which has a lower melting point. The hollow gunmetal body C is fitted with another gunmetal body B. These two bodies, body B and C, are separated by annulus of fusible plug F. Here you can see that this is fusible metal plug F. In normal working condition, water covers the fusible plug, so it will remain cool. In case the water level falls in boiler cell, the fusible plug get exposed to hot steam. This overheats the plug, and fusible metal having low melting point melts quickly. Due to this, fusible plug melts, and opening so made allows the steam to rush into the furnace and extinguishes the fire. Okay, so here you can see that this is the location of the fusible plug in the crown plate of the furnace. Okay, so whenever the level of the water, okay, it is decreases in the boiler cell, okay, at that time what's happen, this steam, it is in contact with the fusible plug. Okay, so it will overheat the fusible plug, and we have already discussed, here we are using low melting point material like as tin and lead. Okay, so it will melt the tin and lead material, okay, which is the material for fusible plug. So it will allow the steam in the furnace, and it will stop the combustion, okay, in the boiler. So we can protect the tubes of the boiler, okay, against overheating. So this is the mountings in the boiler. Without this part we cannot operate the boiler. This type of fusible plug we are also using in pressure cooker. Okay, here you can see that this is a loaded valve, okay, and this is a fusible plug, okay, and it is in hexagonal shape. Okay, it is also used in pressure cooker. So sometime what's happen in a pressure cooker, okay, some impurities is there in the loaded valve, and it will not work properly. Okay, at that time this fusible plug, it will allow the steam, okay, to expose into the surrounding. Okay, so there is no any damage in the pressure cooker. Okay, because we can release the pressure from fusible plug. Okay, so here we are also using a low melting point material like as tin and lead, okay, which melting point is low. Okay, so whenever your safety valve, okay, main safety valve is not work properly, so at that time it will allow the steam from the fusible plug. Okay, so it is also the necessary part in the pressure cooker. Okay, but pressure cooker is not a boiler according to IBR. We have already discussed in previous lecture. Okay, you can watch it for more fundamental. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope this content it will be helpful to you.